Let me introduce once again Anthony Demidovich, CEO at WABB.
Most businesses lose customers not because of bad products. They lose them because of slow replies, missing follow-ups, and weak personalization. WABB fixed that. My name is Anthony Demidovich, and I'm a CEO and co-founder of WABB. Previously, I co-founded BotConversa, a Brazilian WhatsApp automation company. Our team successfully bootstrapped the startup to $8 million ARR. And then my colleague Ilya and I decided to exit. The transaction included the intellectual property rights. Next, Mikita Ivanovsky is our CTO, with deep engineering experience in cloud, Internet of Things, cybersecurity, and AI. And finally, Christina, our growth engine, and is the only marketer in our company. She does everything herself, from digital marketing to product marketing. Now let me get to the problem slide. Small businesses tend to use messengers and social networks as a primary channel, but struggle to organize communication. As a result, their leads get cold fast, causing issues like low return on ad spend, high acquisition costs, and losing to competitors who reply on time. And if you aren't able to provide personalized items or services, customers will often ignore you. And the lack of follow-up makes their decision even easier. They don't even need to say no. But who can do this job? Support, sales, and customer experience teams in the big companies. But approximately 95% of businesses worldwide have fewer than 10 employees, so they can't allocate the proper resources. Finally, people don't know much about APIs and integrations, so they never get full value from automation because they can't even connect it to CRM or payment gateway. So how do businesses achieve success with WABB? They simply turn chats into outcomes. A bot handles most user queries based on keywords and intents. It can represent support, sales, or customer service and automate up to 90% of communication, and even complex tasks. Our integration block, webhooks, and upcoming integration agent allow clients to build complex integrations in minutes. And here, WABB from the inside. You can see workflow builder feature and context management feature. Now let me show you the numbers. We believe that now is the best time to enter the market because the number of new businesses is growing year by year. And there are still around 80% of businesses that haven't automated their communication across channels. And yeah, go to market. Our business model is a simple subscription-based model. It consists of two packages, Starter and Pro, with fixed pricing, $40 and $60 per month respectively. We're also planning to try progressive pricing in the future. Our primary acquisition channel is paid ads. This worked well for us in my previous experience with BotConversa. Our ICPs are small and micro businesses in e-commerce, hospitality, healthcare, IT, SaaS, and service domains that already run ads and receive dozens or hundreds of messages a day, plus creators and solopreneurs with active DMs who need scalable engagement and monetization. We launched on January 1st, 2025, and got our first sale around that time. In 9 months, we onboarded 300 customers, and we are currently at 15K MRR. Our primary competitors are ManyChat, US-based company, and Vati, Respond.io, with focus on Asia. But WABB is different, because it frees users from reinventing the wheel and building flows. It starts with proven patterns, remembers each customer, handles integrations for you, and is priced so even solo founders can use it. What we are looking for? We are looking for mentors and advisors who can help us accelerate growth and build a scalable product-led engine. We're also exploring a potential fundraise in 6 to 9 months. The decision isn't final yet, but we want to stay in touch with all interested investors. And here is QR code to connect me on LinkedIn for future collaborations. Thank you.
Thanks, Anthony. Great pitch. So, questions from our jury?
Thanks much. And how do the vibe coding tools cope with such tasks by themselves for the moment?
Yeah, got it. Actually, it's a good question. It's just a different areas, you know. So basically, vibe coding tasks. You mean like something like NA10, right? If I understand it correctly. But it's just for different things because our solution actually let you to like focus only on like social marketing, right? So like email, WhatsApp, and Instagram, Facebook, wherever, like whenever you're, like it doesn't matter where you're trying to attract your customers. We are trying to handle them with the bot, and we also have solutions that focused on this specific domain. For example, live chat. Our customers can assign chat to their team members, and their team members can handle the chat in the live chat. We can segment audience with different tags, with different custom attributes. For example, if one customer asked you about some like pair of the shoes, right? You can segment this customer as an interested one, and for example, tag him with exact price. He tried to like with exact price of these shoes, for example, and then you can upsell based on this price. So our logic in our application is more tailored for the specific domain, and this domain is social media communications. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. More questions? Thank you, Anthony.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone.